the Jeremy. Hello, everybody. I'm busy, you know. I got to prepare for my stuff on the stove. But tonight we make pasta e fagioli, pasta e beans. Now the beans I'll cook by myself. And I prepare already. I got the pasta over here. This is all mixed pasta. In Italy, in my city, we call it I minuts. Minuts the pasta, okay? It's all chopped small. And I gotta use my oil baby, garlic, plum tomato. What I did, I boil it, and I take the skin out and some of the seeds out. And we got this, it's my basil. It's from my garden. I got basil, it's like this, just like that. And we got to use a little pecorino cheese. And this, it's for me. And before we start, salute cin cin. Okay, the first thing I want to cook the pasta. Okay, take a little long, everything. And before I put the pasta, I put salt. Okay. And this is the pasta. The water boil, and you gotta use a lot of water. And let's do the pasta.
Yeah, if anyone's interested in this recipe, you're gonna have to do a hashtag yummy for this one.
Okay, and we give it a little turn on the pasta.
And thank you so much to Leslie for the stars. Thank you for the 100 stars.
Okay, thank you very much. And now we put the gas on. I got the beans over there. Already I warm up. And now this is for the sauce. Okay. And look at the beans, are beautiful.
10 minutes on the pasta.
Look at this. Look how beautiful the beans. Okay?
That's from the can?
The can. I cook it by myself. Not the can. Okay, now I'll load the gas and let's go over here. I got the garlic. And look at this big garlic. Now what I do like this.
Thank you, Bill, for the stars.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for the stuff. Okay. I like the garlic. Okay, now we chop a little bit. I got another one over here. Okay.
And sometimes you put like pancetta and stuff like that.
Yes,
right?
so you can use bacon, pancetta, or guanciale. You fry it, and it's really, really good. Now, the pasta e fagioli, pasta e beans, se you want, use the cheese. Se you don't want, no use. Okay, now I got the pepper and the garlic. Let's go on the stove now.
And that's that really hot pepper.
Yeah, this one, it's, oh yeah, baby, but this, it's really hot.
And thank you to Daniel and Melissa for the stars. Appreciate that.
Thank you very much, everybody. And we do salute cin cin, and thank you for the star. Cin cin, salute.
Donnie is saying, finally caught you live. Yay. So yeah, we're live every Tuesday. It's anytime like 6 or 6:30 p.m. So Eastern time, every Tuesday.
Yes, we cook all the time. Last week we know was to cook the weather. And not tonight, he said the weather gotta be the same. But already we cook, maybe the weather gotta be better later on. Okay, I want to cook good the garlic.
Yeah, let us know. Have you been getting the notifications recently? Because there was a point in time where that just did not work at all. So it's cool to see 1,000 people watching already.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy. 1,000 people, oh nice. I hope we got 2,000, 3,000.
If everybody likes the stream and shares it, maybe it'll happen.
Okay, now the sauce. But I want to put it right over here. All right. Good.
So Mrs. 500 just joined the show tonight. Barbara, thanks for the 500 stars.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh boy, you make me happy. Maybe I'm drinking a lot of wine tonight. Chin chin and salute. Thank you for the star.
That's her new name, Miss 500. Yeah, for those that are not getting the notifications, you should be able to set those notifications right on this live stream. If you, I'm not 100% sure where you go, but it should be somewhere where it says following.
Okay, now we put salt. That's enough. And we use black pepper.
Hey, Pierre, thank you for the 200 stars. Appreciate that. And just tell everybody what you're making again.
I'm making pasta and beans. Pasta e fagioli with the tomato. Now, see, you don't want to do with the tomato. We got a recipe with no tomato, only white. You fry garlic, hot pepper, oil, and you do. Okay, now this it boil nice, and now I got this basil. Boy, the basil. I cut one branch. Look there. Look at this. Huh? Hey, I like to put big leaves right there. The basil, it tastes really, really good. If I need more, it's not taking me too long. I go pick it up. I want to taste this. It's everything good, the salt, okay?
I believe the peppers are chili peppers.
Yeah, it's really spicy, the pepper. The salt is good, a little spicy too.
Okay, so Joanne just said, so you have to click the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you could find the notification settings there. And that's where you can enable it to get notified every time we're live on Mondays and Tuesdays.
Okay, I want to give a little turn on the pasta. Okay, good. Now, before I forget, I want to take a little water, the pasta over here, the water. It's enough. And I keep on the side. Okay, when I put the pasta together over here with the tomatoes, so you need a little bit more. And you pour the water, like this, you make it more liquid. But so you like more thick, no put not. But so you like a little bit more broad, you can put a little water inside.
And just a quick big thank you to Kay and Melissa for the stars. Appreciate that.
Thank you very much, everybody.
So just wondering, what kind of cheese is everybody putting on this at the end? Is it
Well, you can use, I use pecorino cheese. You can use Parmigiano, Grana Padana. Everything the cheese, it's good.
cream cheese
Cream cheese for?
on top?
Cream cheese? No, no cream cheese. I need cheese. I gotta use arattacasi, no? Okay. What do you think? How many minutes already cook?
Bill said 4 more. Oh,
Huh? 2 more minutes. Okay. Now, 2 more minutes, what I do, I use the beans and I put inside with the sauce. Now, look at this garlic over here. This I take it out. Look at the garlic. I cook it together with the beans, but I don't throw away. I eat that one.
that looks like the size of an onion. What is that?
It's garlic. Look at nice beans, huh? When you cook yourself the beans, it come out really, really good.
You're gonna need a lot of Febreze after.
And my wife tonight, I gotta go sleep outside. She don't want me to sleep in the bed. he say, you want the music? You play music in the daytime, not night when we go sleep.
Like the decibel level's too high, or
Yeah, you too much bass. You know the bass? You go pop 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 pop. Okay, look at that. Oh. Huh? Good. Oh, look at the garlic. So good. Okay, we low. And now the pasta. It's ready, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's turn the gas off. And like I say, I got the water salad. I want to turn the cold water in the back. This over here what I drain.
You don't like to rinse the pasta?
No, I'm not rinsing the pasta.
Who knows the rest of this riddle? Beans are good for your heart. The more you eat them, the more you.
Music. And you got a more band.
What was that garlic nice and soft?
Not,
The one-
yeah,
the one you
really
ate?
soft. Okay, now we leave it stay like this a little bit. I do like, I saute like this, but not try at home.
Don't try this at home.
Okay, you never know. Okay. Cingin, salute. Thank you so much for the star. Cingin, salute. Okay. What do you think? You need more liquid? What do you think?
Maybe a little bit.
Huh? We'll use a little bit.
So it's just the pasta water.
Yeah, this is pasta water, yeah.
Oh yeah, if anyone's interested in the new aprons and these pot holders and mittens, it's hashtag merch, and that'll be sent to your inbox.
Okay, nice. I'll take the knife off. I need a spoon. And let's me take. Okay, I got off everything off. Okay. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Huh?
Mm-hmm. And if you want the recipe, it's hashtag yummy.
White wine. A little cheese. Good. Really, really good. And the beans, it's really good. And the tomato, it's so sweet. Thank you very much, everybody, to look at this video. I hope somebody make it come out really good. And we see next week. Okay, now we cook on Monday, we cook for the support, and on Tuesday, we cook for everybody. Chin chin salute, and thank you for your support. Thank you for the star. Chin chin salute, and we see next week. Chin chin.